Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that everyone deals with but nobody really likes to talk about: dark spots and dead skin. These are common issues that can be caused by a number of factors, such as sun exposure, aging, and poor skincare habits. But don't worry, we've got a solution for you. In this video, we'll show you how to make a body scrub that will help reduce the appearance of dark spots and slough away dead skin, leaving you with smooth, glowing skin. Ingredients: 1 cup of brown sugar, ½ cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of lemon essential oil. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix together the brown sugar, coconut oil, honey, vitamin E oil, and lemon essential oil until everything is well combined. 2. Apply the mixture onto your skin, focusing on areas with dark spots and rough patches. 3. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin using circular motions for a few minutes. 4. Rinse off the scrub with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. And there you have it. A simple yet effective body scrub that will help you get rid of dark spots and dead skin. Remember to use this scrub regularly to see the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.